Yes, it's Master Crew back once again with another video.
So guys, it's your boy Busy Bee Science showing you the retro tech out there. AKAI samplers, hardware samplers. We're all talking about the old retro hardware samplers. AKAI S950, AKAI S3200, AKAI S3000. Smash the like button if you want to see more. If I get to 500 likes, I will put this disc, yeah, for upload with all of this arrangement. I'll upload that for you guys to download, yeah, so you guys can mess about. And as I promised, I'm going to do a video now on how to set up the key groups on this AKAI, on this bad boy AKAI S950, right? So anyway, so here we have it. I'm in the key group section now. I've already got other stuff which is currently up and running. Which is a little mess about thing, right? So anyway, I've got 19 key groups in here at the moment. I'm probably going to have to do a back to basics version of this, but I'm just going to add on to these key groups at the moment. So basically, I'm going to go to here. I'm literally going to go to the key group add page, which is here, and then move the cursor along until it says copy, right? And I'm going to copy that, press the plus button, and you can see it's now got 20 key groups, and the 20th key group is where I'm going to set up my new break that I put in, that Sugar Bear break 1. And at the moment everything is assigned up to key 65, so I'm going to put this on key 66. Then I'm going to go to here, sorry, key 66, and then I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to set my transpose to 0, because I want that to be playing at the, you know, the normal note of the break beat. And also make sure constant pitch is also set to on somewhere in here. Let's have a look. There's lots of other things you can do in there, guys. Comment down below if you want to see some of these filters, messing about with some of that stuff. See, you've got your constant pitch, which is on. That makes your sample basically stay at the same level throughout. You won't go up and down the keys when you press the keys, because you don't want that in breaks. You probably want that in a bass line or something like that. You can also do your outputs on here as well. If you scroll to the output section, you can set the individual output for that key group. Unlike the AKAI S950, it's slightly different in terms of the key groups, because you can put your key groups into programs on here, and you can have your programs on different channels and stuff. Whereas as far as I remember, on the AKAI S950, everything's all in one key group, and you just assign the outputs and your keys and stuff on the AKAI. So as you can see, this is all on one key group, and at the moment all of this is on one MIDI channel. So I've just got everything working on there. But then I could then, if I wanted to, I could then go onto another MIDI channel, start fresh, which is what I'm going to do now. And I'm going to go from key group 20, say for example, key group 20, I'm going to select MIDI channel 2, right? So let's go to MIDI channel 2, find out where to do that. There you go. So key group 20, MIDI channel, I don't know why it says MIDI channel 1. This key group is on MIDI channel 2, right? So now on my DAW, I would select MIDI channel 2, which is going to be another track, yeah. You know, I've got Renoise. You can just do a MIDI out on your favorite DAW, whatever. And I'm just going to set that to MIDI port 1, but then change the MIDI channel to 2, and that should pick that up. Then I'm going to, let me get the key, because I want my key to start from C2, just like this Amen is here, yeah. So let me just do that. I'm going to set that up now, and then I've got that, and then I'm going to go into here, and then I'm going to bring this back to C2, right? So which is C2. Let me see, not C3. It'd be C2 there. Right, and that should be the first key. If I bring that down to C2, it should play straight away. Lovely jubbly. C2, C1. Where is it? C2. Yep, C2. Right, let's see. Perfect. So now I can start building my key groups from there. And if I want, I can assign key group 20 to a separate output. So when I copy all the key groups, this is going to be the first part of my key group section here. So this part here is basically going to be where I would set the tempo of it. If it was a straight break, etc. You can do that in other menus and stuff, where you can transpose it, for example. If I bring that right down there, and again. But I don't want to do that. I want to keep it all the same. So now, as I've got like 8 versions of this break, I now want to copy this key group 8 times. So go back to the key group section, and then I want to copy this because it's already set on MIDI 2, nice and lovely jubbly. Again, if you've got multiple outputs, which I'm sure you have on your AKAI, you might want to do that as well. But I'm not going to do that in this case because I just want to keep it neutral, and the outputs can be assigned later. So basically, you're going to go here, go to copy, and I'm going to make 7 more copies: 21, 22, 23. So 20, so let's go up to 27. So I've got 27 copies of this. It's going to sound flangy, which is also a good effect, by the way. But if you don't want to do that, which obviously we're not, I'm going to go back to key group 20 where it starts. And now I'm going to assign these to all keys. So C1, and if you look on the side here, you've got the number of the key, 48, right? So key group 1. So you're going to go key. In fact, before we do that, let's just do this. So key group number 20, yeah, number 20 is sugar 1. Let's move the cursor, change this to sugar 2, change this to sugar 3, change this to sugar 4. So now we're doing all the different parts that we cut up and put through earlier. Sugar break 5, sugar break 6, sugar break 7, sugar break 8. Okay, so sugar break 8, right? So we've done up. We've got 9. Okay, so we need 9. Yeah, we need 9. So we need one more. So we need one more key group. So let's go back to that copy key group section again, and we're going to go to there. We're going to copy. Hold on, what's this? Copy program. Hold on, we'll copy key group. Come back to that. Right. So go copy key group. Yeah, so battery just ran out there. So I've got 28, so I'll go back to 28. And then I'm going to now go put that on 28. That's going to be on number 9. I think something's gone weird here. The numbers don't seem to add up. 28, 27. Okay, start again. So 20 is number 1. 21, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we got 9. Yes, that's perfect. And then now we're going to do the keys. So let's go back to number 1. So if you look here on the keys, right, you can see this one's on C2. But the keys also have numbers as well. Like C2 is 48, C sharp is 49, D is 50, so on and so forth, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go key group 20, just to make life easier, rather than looking at C, D, E, F, G. And I'm just going to go 49, 49. Back to there, 50, 50, 51. 51, 52, 52, 53, 53. Finally, right, 28, 27, right, that's it. So we go 54, 53, 52, 51. Right, so now we should have now we can add that in, and that is how you do your key groups, guys. Obviously this is part of a multi-set key group, but you could start from key group 1 and work your way up. Just set your keys to whatever keys you want, and go from there. If you want to see more tips on the AKAI, smash that like button. Take care, God bless, peace. Big C sharp.
Reminder saved. Washing at 8:15 p.m.
Babylon system.